to remember. So, Manchester, all I can ask you is, are you ready? One more time, are you ready?
Days away. It's an incredible thing for the city to see just 5 games here at the Etihad Stadium. It's great for the city, the people in the city, but also equally great for the football club, for our fans. So we're really looking forward to it.
We're excited to launch it. We're going to be part not just of the group stages and of course the last 16 game, but also England are going to be playing their first match here in Manchester. So we're really excited and we're looking forward to a summer of football.
Happy New Year, Bombay! Manchester, let's get this party started. Bye bye! Amazing fireworks incoming in 21 minutes. Who's ready to say goodbye to 2025? Bye! Bye! Who's ready to say hello to 2026? Well, this is Paul Eden. He'll be keeping the tunes going all night, making sure you have the best start to your new year. Give it up for Paul! And I'm Joe, I work on the radio, I work on Radio Manchester, and some of my colleagues have sent you this Happy New Year message.
Happy New Year from BBC Northwest tonight, wishing you all the best for 2026.
2025 been an amazing year for me, 45 years as a broadcaster this year. Next year will be my 13th year, hope it's lucky, here at BBC Radio Manchester, but have an absolutely cracking 2026.
Happy New Year, Manchester. It's going to be a good one in 2026, and maybe, just maybe, I'll get to see some of you around Manchester on Marathon Day.
And smiles and laughter and a little bit of crazy and a little bit of ridiculousness, because we all need some of that in our lives, don't we?
Hi everyone, Andy Burnham here, just wishing you all a Happy New Year. We've had a good one, but let's make 2026 even better for Greater Manchester.
Manchester, we are ready for 2026. We're going to do a practice countdown after Paul plays us another banger. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Brendan, that'd be great. We're going to invite you lot every year.
Manchester, make some noise for Bart! Let's get the voices warmed up. This song means so much to where we are in Manchester. 30 seconds to go. I need you over there. You lot over there. You lot at the back, including them lot looking at the office building there. Give them a wave. If you've got something shiny, get it out. The tension is here. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I want to introduce you to this really exciting new sound that goes into this song.
Manchester. Give yourself the biggest round of applause! We're going to play a traditional song now that always plays at the start of a new year.